Assalamu alaikum. First of all, my name is Afra Afzal and I am from Pakistan representing green tourism here. So our company has different hotels and resorts across different parts of the country. Like if you go to the Sindh, we have Somyani and Gildani beach resorts. And if you go to the northern sides of the Pakistan, we have three beautiful scenic resorts in Gilgit, Skardu and Hunza. And if come to Punjab, we have Fort Munro. It's basically a mountain resort. So we are providing these different kind of hotel and their prices vary. Like in Pakistani rupees, the deluxe room is 18,000 plus tech with different type of amenities with complimentary breakfast and these are. So we have free Wi-Fi, complimentary water bottles. These are the free amenities, and except of these, we have the restroom amenities. We have also, so we have. If you go to the northern side of Pakistan, the season is winter there. So we also provide the ACs, inverters. That's all. 24-hour electricity. Basically, the transport facilities. If you go to the transport will provide you the tour operators. Okay? You have to connect with them for the transport. We have like if you go to the major cities like Islamabad, Lahore, Multan, Skardu, you have the air facilities, like you can go to the airplanes. Like if you go to the northern side of Pakistan, in which the accessibility of the plane is not possible, so you have to go through jeeps, cars, whatever you want. Right now there are no security issues, and for foreign tourists, we have the tourism police also in the northern side of Pakistan and in the Punjab also. So there is right now there is no security issues. Many you have also seen through the social media that foreigners are coming through Pakistan and they're having good experience in Pakistan. There is no issue. And for one thing which I have to tell you is that we have now the e-visas for 104 countries, and Bangladesh is also included in that. You will get the visa in 24 hours and it's completely free.